हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स स्टार्ट द अल्फाबेट. A B C D. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. Circle the alphabet with related picture. बताओ बच्चों, इसमें से which alphabet is correct for D for dog? Yes, this is a D for dog. What is this? A for apple. What is this? B for ball. And what is this? C for cat. Now start. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. What is the color of grapes? Green. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. In which season we eat ice cream? Summer season. Very good. J for joker. J for जोकर. अब जोकर कहाँ मिलता है हमें? सर्कस में. वेरी गुड. के फॉर काइट. के फॉर काइट. एल फॉर लायन. एल फॉर लायन. एंड लायन इज द किंग ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. Lion is the king of forest. Very good. What is this? Ice cream. Very good. Ice cream. What is this? Kite. Kite. What is this? Lion. Very good. A lion. Now what is this? Joker. Joker. M for monkey. M for monkey. Monkey's favorite fruit is banana. Yes, monkey's favorite fruit is banana. N for nest. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. Mittu mittu. What is the color of parrot? Green color. Very good. Green color. Now fun activity. What is this? Yes. And nest. Very good. What is this? Oh, owl. Very good. What is this? M monkey. Very good. What is this? P parrot. Now start. Q queen. Q queen. Rabbit. R rabbit. What is the favorite food of rabbit? Carrot. Very good. That is carrot. S sheep. S sheep. T tiger. T tiger. U umbrella. U Umbrella. In which season you use umbrella? Yes, tell me. Rainy season. Yes, it's rainy season. हम rainy season जब हमें बारिश होती है तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Umbrella. An activity. What is this? T. Tiger. R. Rabbit. What is this? Q. Queen. What is this? S. Sheep. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Now count the color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. That is pink color. This is sky blue color. This is green color. This is yellow color. Blue color. And last, red color. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra have white and black strip. Very good. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.